Hey everyone, welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 15th, 2025, we're taking a look at Apple, ticker symbol Apple. We'll be covering the latest news surrounding Apple and then digging into the charts to see what's going on. First, based on a recent Google search, we see Apple closed yesterday at $212.33, a slight decrease. Pre-market trading shows it down further, near $209.80. Analysts have a wide 12-month price target, ranging from $160 to $300, with an average of $228.65. TipRanks gives Apple a moderate by consensus rating. There's a lot of pressure on the stock right now with concerns about iPhone sales, trade issues, and pressure to halt expansion in India. However, Apple is reportedly planning a foldable iPhone by late 2026 and exploring brain interface technology as a way to offset iPhone sales decline. Also, Apple is offering discounts on iPhone 16 models in China ahead of the 618 shopping festival, so some bullish action is coming. Now, let's dive into the charts, starting with the daily chart. We can see over the past year Apple has had a lot of volatility. A high near $258 at the end of 2024, followed by a steep decline down to around $170 in early March 2025. It has steadily climbed upwards in the past 2 months, but is still down 8% from its high at the end of 2024. The recent run-up, starting around $170, shows strong buying support, which could be a promising sign for long-term investors who believe that Apple is temporarily undervalued because of a short-term slump in phone sales. Zooming into the past few months, from the start of March to today, we can see Apple has been trading around $210 to $213, with some recent spikes up to $214. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can get a better view of more recent trading. Looking at the past week from May 7th to today, May 15th, we can see more detailed movement. We see a few support levels around $210. Currently, we're testing the $212 support. If we're unable to maintain this level, it could signal more short-term bearish pressure. For a closer look, let's switch over to the 15-minute chart and narrow our focus to the past 2 days. Here we can see some very recent resistance at $213 and support around $211.60. Apple appears to be trading in a sideways channel. The news about the potential India expansion halt, in combination with the iPhone discount in China, could be contributing to this consolidation. From a long-term perspective, analysts price target averaging near $228, and Apple's move into new innovative areas could mean a likely breakout to the upside sometime in the future. However, it's important to watch out for bearish signals if Apple fails to hold its current price. So, to recap, here are the key levels to watch. On the downside, look for support at $211.60 and $210. If these levels break, we could see a move towards $205 or even $200. On the upside, watch for resistance at $213. A break above this level could signal a bullish continuation towards analysts' average price target of around $228. The most optimistic analysts have price targets of $300. Keep an eye on the news. Any updates regarding the brain interface technology, foldable iPhones, trade tariff, iPhone discount in China, or India expansion halt could have a significant impact on the stock price. I'd estimate a 60% chance for seeing Apple reach $228 if these new technology projects become more solidified in the news. It's important to be nimble, but stay optimistic and patient. That's it for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Good luck with your trading, and we'll see you next time.